how to change your Sweatcoin into real money. I'm going to explain how this works. In the Sweatcoin app, at the top right, you should see your total amount of Sweatcoin which you have saved up. Now, if you want to change this to real money, your option is to go into the rewards tab at the bottom, and right here you have the option of winning or buying. Now, winning means that you will enter raffles such as super draws. Here it is going to cost you 2 Sweatcoin to have the chance to win an iPhone 17. And also you have the option currently of playing for a PlayStation 5 Pro as well. These raffles are updated periodically, and the one that maintains or stays the longest is going to be the scratch cards. So here you can buy scratch cards and you have the option of winning a gift card here. So basically this is the raffle option. If you want to convert it into real money, you also have the option of clicking on buy. Now right here you will see gift card options. $5 is going to cost you 5,000 Sweatcoin, $25 is going to cost you 25,000, and $50 is going to cost you 50,000 Sweatcoin. You can get Amazon gift cards, you can get a Spotify gift card, Google Play, Amazon, like I said, and many more here. As long as you have 5,000 Sweatcoin, then you can get this gift card, and that is basically how it works. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.